365 days, 365 videos. I think you know what I mean, but it's fine if you don't. For the next 365 days, I'm going to be posting one long form video for at least 3 minutes long on my YouTube channel. No cheating, no missed upload, every single day, one video of something interesting. Just something I can sit down and talk about. And I know you're going to say, oh, you never upload long form videos, you're not going to do this, it's fine. But it's okay, I understand that, but don't worry, I'll make it. I mean, I'm just tired of waking up in the morning saying, okay, I'll do this, I'm going to post a video, and I just never do it. So I just decided, you know what, if I make this a challenge, then I'm going to challenge myself to do it, and yeah, I will do it. And although some of you may know me from posting short videos, I mean, they're great, but at least here I can talk to you, connect with you, and just share some interesting stories. And also, most important, to just learn the process, because I want to learn how to make better videos. I want to learn how to talk, storytelling, and yeah, just be interesting. Oh, and also, my lock screen looks like this. I don't know if this is relevant, but hey, I just said it. And if I miss a video, I don't know what's gonna happen. But for now, I think it's about me giving money away or losing some money or something, I don't know, or spending to do something useful. I don't know. I'll just have to think about it. But I just wanted to get this video out of the way just to start with this challenge, to be part of this challenge. Then I'm gonna come up with it. And don't worry, I'll still be posting on all my social media. I'll still be posting short videos, but maybe not 4 times a day. Maybe it will be 2 or 3 times. But don't worry, I'll be there. We will do this. And also, if you watch them, I don't know why you're gonna watch them. Honestly, I have no idea. There's so many other creators out there, but that's okay. See you tomorrow.